beautiful people. It's your girl Just Got Talent. How you all doing? Hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My one subscribers, my baby Duba family, guys. Tell us what was on the channel. Tell us what comment. Thank you. Happy weekend, guys. This is all about my weekend routine. Today is a sunny weekend. I'm really happy. The weather is getting better. Maybe by next month we'll have a lot of sun. Today the sun was really here today in my city. I cannot tell you in France there is sun, but in my city we had sun and we still have sun. So I just put it on, make some, wash some clothes because we have been using dryer to dry clothes. You know, it's not all clothes you can use dryer to dry. So I'm so happy that there is sun. And then let me just rush to wash some clothes and then spread it on my hanger. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, guys, it's really lovely. You know that in Europe, when the sun is there, we are happy because where we come from in Africa, we have sun. But here it's cold. We have more cold than summer weather. We have more cold weather than hot weather, you know. So when we see sun, we are just happy. As if it's Christmas, you know. Yeah. So how you guys doing? What are you guys up to? Guys, I'm so excited today. I said let me come and make this video and show you guys what I'm up to this weekend. It's a really lovely weekend. Everybody is happy. You know when the sun is there, we are all
delicious
happy. Yeah, we feel
milk.
good. You know?
She can make it. I've been a flux, fashion designing. I've been fashion makeup. We give a better shout out, unboxing beautiful items. Just in a shop love. Just to get the talent.
This year, like I told you guys on the last video,
She get the talent.
great year.
If you don't know about Joycey,
Great year.
my brother,
Sure.
you are missing a lot.
You see,
If you
the month
haven't
of,
heard
February,
about
we already
Joycey,
have sun and
my
and it's
sister,
really lovely.
you are missing a lot.
Yes, guys.
Chukwunyere such talent, though. Now why? People just they relate, though.
Yes.
Now why?
Now I'd love to put this hanger outside, but you never know the weather.
No. Joycey got the talent,
It
though.
might start raining.
Yeah.
So since the sun is reflecting to this
She get the talent,
road
though.
close to my London road, spread the clothes
Just
and
get the
hang the
talent,
clothes from the
though.
hanger.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
No.
Everybody call it, it's okay. Everybody
She
want
get the
to
talent, though.
hang
The
the
things she
clothes,
sabi
hang the
do.
clothes,
Via her
all the
channel.
same.
Oh no.
I'm so
She
excited
get
that the
the
weather is
talent,
really
though.
good today.
She can bake
Happily,
occasional cake.
hope you all are
She
doing
can
great.
make beat occasional beats. She can make it. I've been a flux, fashion designing. I've been fashion makeup. We give a better shout out, unboxing beautiful items. Just in a shop love. No. Just to get the talent, though. Yeah. No. She get the talent, though. No. Just to get the talent, though. Yeah. No. She get the talent, though. Shout out to Queen Joycey, Queen of December. Haha. She's so creative, motive, positive, and always active. CEO, JGT Exotic African Shop. One love. Joyce belele bejolo. Ube beke. Atalugo wine. Okuro chokarisia. Hey, wine yoma. Wine nwere karaka. Chukuja karaka choma. Hey, uboja. Ugobotia. Elele bejolo. Imana wine bo sama. Joyce got the talent, oh. Yeah. No. She get the talent, oh. If you don't know about Joyce, my brother, you are missing a lot. If you haven't heard about Joyce, my sister, you are missing a lot. Chukunyere such talent, oh. Now why people just they relate, oh. Now why? No. Joyce got the talent, oh. Yeah. No. She get the talent, oh. The thing she sabi do via her channel. Oh no. She got the talent, oh. She can bake occasional cake. She sabi cook delicious milk. She can make head, I be na flux. Fashion designing, I be fashion makeup. We give a birthday shout out, unboxing beautiful items. Joyce na shop plug.
So guys, give me the best sense to do. Give me a thumbs up and leave your comment. If you don't pass by, you like my channel, subscribe to my channel,